Detective Taylor, the witnesses are here.
Yeah. No, great. Send them in.
Have a seat.
Yeah.
Yo, dude.
Message. Tell me, what'd you see?
Dude, bro, you wouldn't believe it. I mean, first car, totally ghetto stomp. Second car, I mean, it was brutal, dude.
Yeah. Did you happen to get a look at the driver of the car who did it?
Yeah, dude. He was totally a guy. Yeah, dude.
Go on.
Yep.
Did he have a lot of hair, like me?
No, dude. He was totally bald.
Oh,
totally
so
bald.
not like
Tattoos,
me.
man. Sickly, gnarly one said mom.
Or maybe a sickly looking girl.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, he did yell something. I mean, that's anything to you guys.
well, what did he yell?
Dude, bro, I don't know. I was tripping harder than a horse with its shoes tied together.
You do know that horseshoes don't have laces.
Hey, yes. Thank you, the message. That's
Yeah,
that'll be quite enough.
Whatever,
Yeah. You have a fine day now, young man. Next witness, Officer Barkus.
My time has come.
King James, come in. Can you tell me what you saw?
I reminisce, as it were.
Would you sit down?
Of course.
Go on.
I reminisce, as it were, the first car, on a cold, stormy day, that struck the other car with such an abrasive force. And the driver out through yonder windshield brakes onto the pavement at maximum velocity.
All right. Now, did you get a look at who did it?
It was a conniving sort, squandered in the deepest bowels of Hades, bred from the blackest boiling
All right.
pits of-
All right. Yeah. That's enough. So, is there anything else useful you can tell us?
I have, as it were.
Are you writing this down?
Nah, I'm asking questions.
At least you're doing something for a change.
A plethora of various pelts in mine castle.
All right, so no. Okay. Thank you, King James.
Fare thee well, kindly policeman. I bidden you.
Right this way.
I take my leave.
All right.
Where are you getting these witnesses?
All right. Next.
Hey! What are you doing? Come here.
I ain't done nothing.
Just sit.
I know my rights.
Just sit down.
I know my rights.
All right. Make it catered. Take a seat.
I know my rights. I ain't done nothing. I want my phone call. Want to go tell Mayor to get me my pick 'em up truck. Get me out of this here jailhouse.
You haven't done
Police
anything.
department.
We just want to know what you know about the hit and run car crash.
Oh yeah, about that. Yeah, I thought you'd bring me in for my moonshining business. Ain't nothing wrong getting a little moon on your shine, know what I'm saying?
Can you recite what you saw?
Recite.
Can you tell them what happened to scene the crash?
Oh yeah, I can. My cousin Bernie's the driver.
I think we have our suspect.
Yeah, me and
go
Bernie
on.
was just driving along and he went down right in front of us. Car flipped over, you know, well, we didn't have nothing to do. Say veer over the side road right into White Castle. Never like fancy restaurants anyways.
You know White Castle serves hamburgers the size of rats. Right? Really mice, rather.
I mean, just,
That's beside your point. So, did you get a look at the man that was in front of you?
how would I have done that? He's in front of me, back turned to me. I got common sense to figure that one out.
Alright. American Standard. Thanks for your time. You have a nice day now.
Stars and bars, boys. Stars and bars.
Yeah. Moonshine and wackos. Alright. Officer Marcus. Last one.
Couldn't come soon enough.
Huh. He was staying.
I didn't matter.
Huh.
Have a seat.
Alright.
Not too bad. Now, what can you tell us?
Well, where to begin? It's at the corner of 25th Street and Pearl Street. And, saw the other car hit the other car. And, large man driving a rather small car, probably a smart car or something. I ought to say that he was wearing the car as opposed to driving it, you know. Shaven head, tattoos of black white beaver.
Yep.
You know, typical criminal-esque.
Now, what can you tell me about the color of the car?
It was like a off-light neon grey, something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And do you remember the license plate by chance?
Yeah, I do actually. I do, yeah. Yeah, it's yeah, it was
What was it?
well, it was blue and it said Indiana at the top. So yeah, I mean that's all right.
Yes. Correct.
Well, let me guess. They have black tires too, right?
As
Thank
a matter
you.
of fact, it did, yeah.
Thank you for your time. English
Oh,
Standard.
yeah, go ahead.
That's
Yeah,
wonderful.
drink that. Cheerio, lads.
Cheerios.
I'd have to say that we didn't get too far with this matter.
I think it went pretty well.
Have you been eating again?
No.
Look into the camera.